హాయ్ ఐఎమ్ మోనికా. మోనికా కాదు అసలు నా పేరు, మోనికా.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I am Sohan Jagannath. I am pursuing my BTech final year from Anurag University in the Department of Information Technology. As a coder, I always wanted my programming language to be simple, so I chose Python.
హాయ్ దిస్ ఇస్ మోనికా మాలత్కర్. And here I have joined for the Python classes with AI to upgrade my skills to the current generation, as I have my own digital marketing company. I came to the demo classes over here with the help of one of the friends suggested to join here.
Complete batch was divided into different teams, and each team was given a task to develop a mini project. You share your experience. What kind of projects you have done?
So actually we done with the banking project. We have explained in the class also, as you were also aware of that.
Correct.
In which we have used how to day-to-day banks functions with the credit part, debit part, how we withdraw the amount and how we credit the amount, how it works back end. So I think you also done with the project of some task management.
Yes,
right?
actually in our project, basically the user can manage his daily tasks where he can give the title and description, and also he can create a new task or delete his own task, and he can perform different operations on that. And also we have used technologies like Fast API. Also we have used databases like SQLite 3 and all. Especially Chaitanya Vaddi sir, he has given wonderful sessions, and also he interacted very well.
After I came here, I met with Chaitanya Vaddi sir. He is a lecturer and he explained so well regarding the codings and everything. It made so easy and understandable. Chaitanya sir made it so well that both the Gen Zs as well as the who are not with the coding part, both can learn in a very easily manner.
In our sessions, it is so jovial. We keep interacting with each other, and also we keep interacting very well with trainer. He reaches out very well, and also he brings everyone into the same pace. So we had a good experience, and also we have different other perks in Medha EduTech.
There is a free classes, aptitude test, spoken English classes are there, and placements provided by the Medha EduTech, where we can learn, comfort yourself with the upcoming interviews, how we can attain and how we can present ourselves in this present world. So we have a very comfort zone. It's like environment is so good, everyone is so helpful. You can learn as well as with your comfort zone. If you have any doubts, we have an app called LMS, where you can go and watch the videos also, past coming videos, what we have learned and where we have learned and everything. So how was your experience over here?
Yeah, actually not only technical support, but also the management over here, they are very interactive with the students. They keep asking feedbacks, and also whatever changes given by the students, so they try to implement everything into the curriculum.
Because the process of learning here is so easy and so convenient with a curriculum called 7x7. So with the help of that, where we can do a number of projects, total is content of 49 projects, which can help college students as well as the professionals also. They can be a gem until they completed the course and everything. So it's a very good opportunity, and I won't think this process I have seen in any other institutes, because while coming to demo sessions, I have even attended the more in other institute also, where I never find this kind of a curriculum.
In the process of upgrading my skills, I have gone to many institutes. As a process, I have reached Medha EduTech. Over here, the demo session was unique.
So I think it's a better opportunity. If anyone wants to join, please come to Med and join the process.
And whoever is searching for upgrading their skills in any kind of coding platform, especially in Python, then I strongly recommend them to come to Medha EduTech. We have students from top 10 colleges of the state, and I am one of them. Not only that, we have students from different countries also.
Like you.
Thank you. Thank you.